Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So today let us go deeper into Linux commands and let us categorize the set of commands, and then we'll be doing a lot of commands practically today. So one category which I define Linux commands as file management category. Using this category of commands, you can handle all the different tasks related to files. Like you have ls command, cd command, cp, move, mkdir, find, du, tar, zip, many other commands which belongs to file management category. Similarly, if you want to play with the text processing, that is processing category commands generally we have like cat command, grep command, sed command, awk command, sort command, wc, head, tail. So slowly we'll be going deeper about this category of commands as well. Apart from that, for system monitoring, like to monitor the Linux infrastructures, you have multiple commands like top command, htop command, ps command, free command, vmstat command, iostat command, netstat command, ss command. Similarly, a lot of commands related to networking category like ping command, ifconfig command, traceroute, nslookup, dig command, curl command, wget, ssh, and scp commands. And similar way for handling permissions in Linux systems, we have chmod, chown, and chgroup commands. For managing users in Linux systems, we have user add, user mod, user delete, and password command. And if you want to know about the information of system, you have uname, hostname, uptime, ls cpu, ls bulk, and ls pci. These kind of commands to know about the system information categories. Similar way, if you want to deal with process in Linux systems, you have commands like kill command, kill all command, background command, foreground commands, and jobs. If you want to deal with software installation, that is package management, you have apt-get command, yum command, dnf command, and some extra commands like history command, alias command, main command, echo, clear. Now, today, let us try to do all the file management related commands practically. So, I logged into one of the Linux machine. If you want to check first, which operating system is this Linux box? You have a command called cat etc and you can type here star release star. So if you see, this is Ubuntu 22.4 version and the code name for this is Jammy. So this is Ubuntu software in my system. Now coming to the file management category commands, we have list of commands like ls command. What do we mean by ls? So ls command means to list all files or folders generally to this. So if I want to see what all are things are here in this my current location, I have certificates, ingress, role binding, test, cluster binding, many files. Similar way we have cd command, cp command, one by one all commands will do practically. So ls command is to list the files and directories in current working directory. So ls is to list all files including hidden ones in long format. So what we generally use with ls command is ls-l, l is called long listing, t as per the timing, and then r recursively. So what it is showing, it is listing all the files folders along with the timing of the file creations and who all are the owners of this file. And if in the beginning it is D, I told you in previous video also, that is directory, and if it is empty, this is file. So ls hyphen l t for with the timing. Similar way, if you type ls hyphen la, long list with hidden files. So now you will see some hidden files like .cas, .q, .ssh, .profile. So ls-la is to list files in a directory sorted by modification time, and you can see all the hidden ones. If you use ls-lt sorted by modification time and ls-R to list all directories and their contents recursively. So if you do ls-R, it will show you all the files and its content recursively. So I hope you understood ls command. ls command is mainly used for listing all files in directory at the current working directory. Now you have cd command. Cd means change directory. And what is directory? In Windows system it is folders. In Linux system it is called directory. So changes the current working directory to a specified directory. Means if you want to go inside a particular directory, you have to use the cd command to change the directory. So how to use it? Cd and the path to directory. And if you want to go to the home directory, just type the cd command. Now let us see here. So if I do cd, this is my home directory by default now. So my home directory is /root because I am logged in as a root user. Now, suppose if I want to go inside root, and inside root, suppose there is a folder called ingress. I want to go inside this, then I do like cd/root/ingress. And if you do pwd, pwd is command to print the current working directory or present working directory. So it is root ingress. You can see your present working directory as root ingress. If you want to go back again to root directory, you have to type cd dot dot and it will take you one back. So now your present working directory will be /root. So I hope you understood the cd command. Now there is a command called cp. Cp means copy. If you want to copy something from one place to another place, you can use cp command. So if I go inside the ingress folder and here I see there is one folder again inside this ingress. So if I again go inside this ingress folder, I have 3 files. Now if I want to copy, suppose ingress dot key to /root folder, then I'll put cp command, the file name which I want to copy or the destination path. So if I do, and now if you do cd/root and do ls-ltr, it will show you the ingress.key file in root directory. So here if you see, this is showing us ingress file is copied here. So cp command, file name and the path, copy this file.txt to the backup directory. So similar way you can provide the path, and wherever you want to copy you can use the cp command. Next is move command. Move is in the Linux system, you do not have any rename commands. So move command or mb command is either used for renaming a file or you can move it from one place to another place. Like ingress.key file. If I want to rename it to ingress.key to suppose test.key. So what will happen now? If you will find again, you will see ingress file is now renamed to test.key file. And if I want to move this test.key file to /root/ingress. So in this folder, if I want to copy, I copy it. Now if you go to the ingress folder, you should see test.key file will be there. So you can see test.key file is copied. So you have move mb command, then file name and the destination where you want to move this file. Now, similar way, you have rm command. So it removes files or directories. So if suppose I want to delete this test.key, I will type rm test.key. So this file is removed. Now, if you do rm and ingress folder maybe, so it is giving an error that is a directory. Means you cannot delete a directory. So suppose I create a new directory using mkdir, is called make directory. Mkdir DevOps demo. And if I do rm DevOps demo, I cannot delete it because it's a directory. So how to delete a directory? You can use rm-r and then you can say DevOps demo. So it has deleted the directory recursively. Hyphen R means recursively, means delete this folder, and whatever the files are inside this DevOps demo folder, you delete it as well. So rm hyphen R means recursively, it has deleted everything inside there. So I hope rm command is clear now. Then you have mkdir command. Mkdir is to make a directory. So I again create DevOps demo mkdir. One way is to this, and if you want to create multiple folders, one inside another, you have to give a hyphen p, and then you can see suppose DevOps /test /new /file. So now if you see, you will have DevOps, and inside DevOps you will see test file will be there. So cd test, inside the test new file should be there. So cd new, and inside the new file is there. So this way you can create the files. So mkdir, your directory name, you can create multiple directory using mkdir, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, and you can use hyphen p option when you want to create a nested directories in one go. So this is hyphen p option mkdir command. Similar way, if you want to delete a directory, you can do like this rmdir and then suppose file. So I have deleted this. But remember, if this folder will have some files, rmdir will not work. In that case, rm-r and f is called forcefully, and then your folder name, it will delete it recursively. Rmdir can only delete a directory which is empty. Similar way, you have touch command. Touch command is used to mainly create a file. Like touch A, so here you will see a file named A is created now here. So this touch command is mainly used when you want to create any file. So if you see A is already here, so touch A, it has created a file. So it creates an empty file or update the timestamp of existing file. It creates new file if it does not exist or update its timestamp. Similar way, you have find command. Searches for files in a directory hierarchy, and how we can use it. Find your directory path and then whatever the file you want to. So here I want to search a star, means in the beginning whatever the name, .jpg, whatever the files is having this format, I want to search for that. So I can use the find command for doing that. So it searches for all jpg files in a specified directory and its subdirectories. So this is the use of find command. Similar way, we have du command. Du command is used for disk usage. Like suppose I am doing df-h like disk free. So in this system, I can see list of folders. So here suppose here is a folder called slash. So if you want to do du command, then you can say du slash, and you will see it will show you the file size of each of the files and folders which is present inside that. Now you can even use du command with multiple variations like du-h in the human readable format and path to directory. If you want to see the total directory size, du-sh, detailed view of all files, du-ah, and total disk uses, du-ch, and path to directory. So this is du command uses. Similar way, we have df command. What df command does? Display information about disk space used for a specified file system. I have shown you practically already. Df-h means in the human readable format, it shows all the files and folders. So here you can use the df command. I think for today, this is enough. For next lecture, we'll cover all the other commands, including this file system category commands and many other categories which I explained in today's slides. Thank you so much guys for giving your valuable time. Have a great day ahead.